Yun, so welcome back sa ating channel mga mas at mga madam. So ngayon guys, try naman po natin itong MC Raptors, no? Napakaangas nito guys. At kung mapansin nyo guys, is unlimited na po ang kanyang VC, no? Napakaangas nito guys. So umpisa na natin guys, MC Raptors naman po tayo. Dito tayo. Tapos click natin yan, advance. Yan na po guys, no? So dito tayo sa may Toronto Raptors versus Orlando Magic. Let's go! Yan, Orlando Magic versus Toronto Raptors, no? Awas na to, guys. Palaruin nyo na to. Pinapangunahan nila Paul Banchero, Gabi Gatse, Cole Anthony. Grabe, Chris Bocher, oh. Pakaangas, Pedibic. Let's go! Raptors yan guys. Angas naman. So simulan na natin guys ang laban. Match up Gary Harris. Angas naman ito guys. Sa kanila yung bola.
First quarter basketball, just over 2.5 minutes play.
Gawin ko yung bola, try ko lang. Box out, box out. You know?
Pass to Harris from 13.
Uy, ka dyan. Nice one. Saan? Pasa mo sa akin. Ito lang ako.
Kevin, I was able to speak with Scott Skiles for just a moment.
Ito, nice. Nice one. Nakita nyo ba yung guys? Nakita nyo ba yung guys? Napakaangas nyan guys. Ako isa pa. Take cooling still. Oops! Huwag na dali tayo din guys. Lang guys ah.
Brown out.
Hey! 3 points.
From long range.
Uy!
Tell you what,
sayang, baba.
Getting into the swing of things
Ito,
on the board.
makascore guys.
And so it's going to be a
3-second violation.
on the defense.
Nice, sa atin ang bola guys. Sa atin ang bola.
And the technical free throw is good.
Grabe naman yun, sir. Oops.
Wagner.
You know, with that much of a height advantage, that's exactly what you should do. Take it straight to the rim.
And a high-scoring first quarter. Both teams really filling it up. And the second quarter getting underway. No team.
Yung sa mga bago pa lang dyan sa ating channel guys, no? So click nyo lang po yung
And we're about 2 minutes into the
subscribe kung nasa YouTube po kayo, tapos click nyo lang po yung follow kung nasa Facebook page po kayo guys, no? Pangas nito guys. Let's go.
First free throw is good. The Magic making a switch here. And he ties it up.
Baba. Uy!
Down low.
Mabra.
Shot from 12.
Rebound. Uy, nice one. You know? Pasa mo sa akin dito.
And for those of you just joining us, we're almost 2.5 minutes into the second quarter.
Uy! You know? Nice one.
Teeth of the D and
Kita nyo ba yung guys?
Offensively, he can be the engine that drives them at any given time.
You know, Nice one. Nice.
Two-handed dunk.
You know. Hey. Baba. Nakakasa ito, guys.
Now about 3 minutes gone in the second quarter of basketball. Guys are looking for a way to score here.
Yeah, they've had a tough time getting the lid off the basket so far.
And it's out of bounds. The Raptors will take it the other way.
Smart double team.
And Toronto has possession. 4-point game.
Okay, sige. Ano ko? Uy! Nice, ito.
And the official signaled the backcourt violation. Not very careful there.
Violation pa nga.
The Magic making a switch here.
Anong nangyari?
Here's Caldwell Pope. 8 points his last outing. Itadze.
Nice one.
You know, not only is the game neck and tight, but the rebounding battle is too.
Nice.
Extremely close on the board.
Lets it go from 11.
Shoot mo na. Nice one.
8 points for him.
Ulitin mo guys, kung bago pala kayo sa ating YouTube channel, click nyo po yung subscribe. Kung bago naman po kayo sa ating Facebook page, click nyo naman po yung follow guys, no? Yung link dito guys, nandiyan po sa may pin comment section, no?
Pass to Caldwell Pope. Shot to stop the run.
Bam!
Gets it to go.
Kung makakahabol pa sila, na pwede tayo tayo guys.
From half court.
Ayan.
And we're through the first half of basketball here and what's been a good one.
Yun guys, nasa hanggang dito na lang po guys yung natin na video, gameplay tutorial, no? So kung gusto nyo malaro guys, nandiyan lang po yung link sa may pin comment section, no? So kita-kits po tayo sa next na video guys at God bless po sa ating lahat.
Okay, let's try something different.